Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 183. If we start with this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 2. But I don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 9, 9 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. The 2 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 8. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 8. We've got the 2 here, so 4, 5, 8. 2 here, 8 here, so 4, 5. 4, 5, and 8 here, so this is our 2, and that 4 and 5 makes this our 8. We can get rid of this 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. But that 3 makes this our 6, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got the 1 here, so 3, 9. 1 here, so 3, 9. That means the only place in this column the 1 can be is here, and that 1 makes this our 9. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 9, 8 here, so 4, 9. That means the only place the 8 can be in that row is here. That 8 makes this our 9. That 9 makes this our 5, 8. That 5 makes this our 4, 5. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.